Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I detangle my natural hair, and I'll be showing you a DIY leave-in conditioner that I am going to be using in this process. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching this video. So I just took down some loose braids that I had in for like 1 week or 2 weeks thereabouts. So I just took them down yesterday, and this is how my hair has been like since yesterday. So I'm going to be detangling and combing them, and as well prepping them for wash day. I'm going to start first with the DIY leave-in conditioner. For the DIY leave-in conditioner, you need a spray bottle. I already have water in my spray bottle. You need a spray bottle and some water and a conditioner. So I have my leave-in conditioner now, my DIY leave-in conditioner. You can add some oils if you want. I have other ways, other DIY leave-in conditioner that you can use to detangle your natural hair. You can check out the link in the description box after watching this video. So as usual, this is the comb I'll be using to detangle my hair after detangling with my hands. I love to go in with my hands first because it helps me to get rid of some knots before I go in with this comb. So I'm going to take out some strands. I love to detangle first before applying my leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to detangle first a little before going in with my leave-in conditioner. So it's already forming some kind of locks, so I have to be very gentle. You can see this. When detangling, always make sure you start from the tips of your hair. You see, I started from the roots, and you see what's happened here now. So if I had started from the tips, this wouldn't have happened. So I'm just going to detangle it now a little. The best way to detangle your hair is to start from the tips of your hair and then gently move to the roots. If you start from the roots of your hair, you may likely get lots of knots and tangles. So you have to be very careful. So I'm done detangling this section. You can see how it is now. And then I'm just going to spray this part with this leave-in conditioner. Put it with my hands and then make sure that it absorbs well. And then begin to detangle again with my hands. So since I've already detangled my hair with my hands, I can just go ahead with my comb now, since I can't find any tangles with my hands. So I'm just going to detangle with this comb from the tips, then gradually move to the ends of my hair. can see how the comb is sliding through. It's very good to detangle first with your hands before going in with a comb or a brush. Not just any comb, you must use a wide tooth comb like this, or there are other types you can find in the marketplace, but never use something like this to comb your hair in bigger sections. So now that this part is properly detangled, I'm just going to put it in a twist. I love to put my hair in twists, as you know, because it helps to keep my hair in place and stretched. So the next time I'm going to be taking down this twist is when I'll be washing my hair. So I'm done with this section now. I'm just going to do other parts quickly. Another way you can make this more easier is for you to spray your hair, your whole hair, once with the leave-in conditioner and then start detangling little by little. Natural hair needs patience to work with, so you have to be absolutely patient. I always tell people that if you know you do not have the patience to detangle your hair, please just leave it at that moment. This was what I did yesterday. After taking down this hairstyle yesterday, I was thinking I'll just detangle it immediately, but before I finished loosening the twist, I was already tired, so I just said to myself, I can't do this today, because if I continue that way, I may lose more hair than I should. So I just left it, put the hair in a bun, and I went to bed. So make sure you always have enough time in your hands to detangle your hair properly. Or if you know you can do it in sections, like you do one section this morning and then in the evening or later when you are chanced, you do this other section, just like that, you are done with your whole head, then that's okay, compared to just like doing it at once and losing much hair because you are in a hurry. So this is going to be a little easier because it was loose twist I did, so it's not going to be much work for me. So I'm going to go in again with the leave-in conditioner. So I'm done now. My whole hair is fully detangled and ready for wash day. So this is the total amount of hair I lost. This is what I do most of the times when I take down my protective style or before washing my hair. So now that I'm done, all I will do is just to put my hair in a ponytail and then tie it with this hairband before I sleep. So even though I'm not going to be washing my hair in the next 2 to 3 days, this is going to help my hair be in place for that time. No manipulation, no combing anymore. I can just spritz water on it if I feel like my hair is dry. This is just what I do to detangle my natural hair. Sometimes I may use water only. That is what I use majorly. I use water only most of the times. Sometimes I use this DIY leave-in conditioner or detangler, and some other times I may just use okra gel. I have videos of it and I'll link it in the description box so you can check it out after watching this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.